camera today, and I'm gonna make up a prank, and I'm gonna say, I don't want your son to be in your life anymore. Basically saying, like, I don't want him to be Baby Yo's dad, and I want to raise Baby Yo with a new man, blah, 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 blah. So I'm gonna set the camera up. Baby Yo right here crawling around. So I'm gonna set the camera up, and I'm gonna call the corner out the room, and I'm gonna be hanging on to Baby Yo. And I'm just gonna start explaining to him, like, you're not a good dad. I don't want you in his life. I'd rather raise him with somebody else, blah, 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 blah. And then we're gonna see his reaction. He's probably gonna be mad, upset, blah, 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 blah. Or he might not care, I don't know. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna set the camera up, and I'm gonna get back to you. No. Cora, what are you doing? Your food done.
Oh damn, this fucking oil shirt.
I'm sure your food's gonna be cold now.
I'm still hot. I'm gonna take off this oil shirt, though.
I don't know what you wear your work shirts for anyway.
I didn't realize it was my work shirt.
Baby, no. That's hot.
Where my controller at?
I don't know, you put it somewhere. Hurry up, because he keeps trying to get your food.
Why you was rushing me?
Cause we gotta talk, that's why.
Alright, start talking. I gotta look for this controller real quick.
What do you always need the damn controller for?
I'm trying to play the game.
No, that's what you do every day, all day. Why can't we watch a movie or something? Or take Baby out to the park?
I don't need to go to no park. Come on, man.
You're not always touching the TV, Baby.
It don't matter.
Anyways, what I was gonna say
I'll put it right here, man.
is,
What you was gonna say?
I don't really want Baby to be in your life.
What you mean?
What you mean? What do I mean? I don't want Baby in your life.
Why?
Cause all you do is play the game. You don't show no attention. I'd rather have somebody else help me raise him. You buy him stuff like diapers and wipes and stuff, but that ain't nothing. You don't give him attention because all you do is play the game.
Okay, I play the game sometimes. What's the big deal?
Sometimes.
Okay, and I still buy him stuff when he needs it.
So? I can have somebody else. I can move. I can get somebody else to raise him right and teach him things instead of just being on the game all the time, shooting and stuff. You really think that's gonna teach a kid just sitting there shooting and hearing shooting and gunshots all the time? He finna grow up being mean and violent. I'll move. I'm finna get me a new man to take care of me and my son.
I just took you to see the point.
Wow. Was that doing something for the baby?
That was doing something.
Exactly. It wasn't doing nothing for him. That's what I thought. And what you do as soon as we got back from Cedar Point? Where's my controller? I miss playing the game. I could have me a man that don't care about video games anymore, that's already grown up, that goes to work, makes his money, comes home to a nice cooked meal, and yes, I will cook for him. I'll make him a nice cooked meal. He can come home, help me with the baby, let me take a nap, blah, blah. You don't let me do none of that because all you do is hop on the game. First off, nothing. I'm talking to you. You're not talking to me. I didn't tell you to talk yet.
Hold on, bro. First off, for one, you don't even like taking naps unless I'm in there with you. Two, you don't even make me meals anyways.
Oh, I don't.
No.
I don't.
Barely.
All you do is come hop in the game, and when I do make you something, you strap it down in 2 seconds and don't even say thank you.
You don't even make me a lunch for work all the time.
Oh, I don't.
Sometimes.
Cause I'm tired from watching the baby all day by myself. Maybe that's why.
And what you think I'm tired from working 10 hours every day?
Oh wow! We don't even go nowhere with him, like to the amusement parks, or water parks, or parks.
I work 10 hours a day, and this is what I get.
Stuff. This is exactly why I don't want you in his life now.
I work 10 hours a day for you and him.
Come home and just throw your clothes everywhere. There's socks here, shirts here. I don't want the oily stuff everywhere.
I work 10 hours every day for you and him, and that's what I get, bro.
Oh wow!
You really gonna do me like that? You gonna try to take my son my life because I play games so much?
Yeah.
Over a video game?
And because we don't ever do nothing as a family.
Bro, oh my God. What can he possibly do as a family?
We can take him to the park,
Yeah,
take him outside,
okay.
take him for walks in his new stroller that we haven't even used yet. Oh, that you didn't buy, I forgot. Anyways, but I'm working on getting me a new man.
We got it for free.
I'm working on getting me a new man.
We got it
to
for
take care of
free,
me
so
and
why
my
would I?
son.
Yeah, that's what you do. I'll take you to court.
Oh, I think my mom's home.
I'll take you to court if you think you're gonna take my son away from me.
Oh, my mom's home for her doctor's appointment.
Oh, so, hold on. Well, let me go talk to her real quick. Tell her how you acting right now.
I already talked to her about when you're at work, so you might as well like
Hold
sit
on,
down.
you can wait real quick. I'm gonna go tell her how you acting before she
No,
even
you're
come
not.
up there.
No, you're not.
Why is you always standing
Give
up?
him a kiss. Because you wanna know why?
Why?
It's a prank. Okay, show son at home because he's not going nowhere. And the camera was set up all the way over here. And I'm surprised you ain't see it while you was getting your dang controller. Quick little prank. Oh, baby, we got daddy. We got daddy. So yeah, anyways, he really fell for it. I was saying a lot of mean stuff, which I didn't mean. So don't be on me in the comment section talk about some why you being mean, blah 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 blah. You want to mean to him? It was just part of the prank. But I want y'all to spam Team K in the comment section because you know it's Team K all day every day. I get him with the best pranks, and this video finna blow up because I pranked him and he didn't prank me. And I want you to turn on post notifications. We finna start doing post notifications, shout outs. Don't listen to him in the background. Anyways, turn on post notifications because we're doing post notification shout outs starting like next week sometime. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button because our subscribers need to go up, not down. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. And I want to hit 120 likes on this video for another video because I'm gonna do a banger. You already know what's going on. It's Team Kaitlyn and I'm out.
Top of my league, if I up the Draco, then I gotta squeeze. Got all of this ice on me, you might just free. My foot on me, neck and I can't